So, I've been making videos in this channel for more than 4 years now, and throughout the videos I made, I have progressed and made a typical and unique process on how I plan, film, and edit. And then, some of you ask questions related to how I make my videos and ask for it. So here is how I make my videos. Let's start with how I plan my videos. Usually, right here, it is basically where 33 to 50% of the video is finished. So first, when it comes to video ideas, it's basically just random. I randomly get inspired by video ideas. I randomly make video ideas where chances are nobody's pretty much doing it yet or it answers specific questions. I randomly recreate successors to my banger video, and once I thought of one, I just throw it to my notes via Notes app and put it in low, medium, or high priority. Low priority are videos that are not to be worried to make at this time. Medium priority are videos that are to be made in the near future, and high priority are videos that has to be uploaded within a month or so due to a Twitter poll which I make every month, which works by if the video idea is interesting for the month, then it will be included in the poll. And which video idea has most votes, or the video idea is not in the poll but a recent event makes the video idea interesting, it is on high priority, and I begin making the proper title and proper thumbnail using Keynote, Snapseed, or Photoshop Mix to that only, pointing out the interesting part or the subject, and per usual, they're also based on some videos and or its thumbnails, which takes me hours if not the entire day or so to perfect the thumbnail with the help of people from the Thumbnails Community Discord server. Which then, I start making my script and research stuff via YouTube videos or articles or what people told me in the past plus logic. But in all honesty, I actually sometimes do it a day before or the same day I make the title, or make both the script and the title a day before making the thumbnail, which lasts me a few hours if not a few days or so just to revise it before recording day, which I'll get into later. And before that day is also when I create or find images, film B-rolls from this iPhone 8 Plus lights, graphics, and animations needed, just like how Apple Explained creates animations in his videos, which, based on my experience, it takes me ages to create due to me having trouble in some parts, such as trying to get high quality images for it, resorting me to create a simpler version of it, especially when finding no copyright background music, since I can't afford epidemic music to match with the theme and pace much easier. And if you're wondering, most of the time, I plan out most of the video just inside my brain without taking down notes since it's always in my mind. So after reviewing and revising everything multiple times, I go straight to filming. Given that my neighborhood is literally very noisy during the day, I have to record in another room very late at 11 p.m. or later just to record with dead silent background, or earlier in the night if I'm lucky. Which is where I also prepare my recording setup and rehearse to prevent my voice from turning into a morning voice, and when it's time, I begin recording with two iPads. One for recording the entire Discord voice chat inside Euri Tech Studio VC under a different profile pic, and another one for recording audio with earpods plus a DIY mic pop filter which I hold on to. Then, I go to sleep. It's the next day. I right away start to begin editing the video using iMovie for iPad to upload ahead of time while maintaining my everyday routine, which, this is where, basically, all the definitely noisy construction happens that takes around 5 to 8 hours to do so. And by the end of the day, I review it, schedule premiere to 2000 Philippine time zone or 12 UTC, and upload, and add the necessary parts, which ends one entire video, which moves on to the next video based on votes until I finished all the video ideas from the poll, and then repeating the same process over and over again. So that is how I make my videos. Feel free to comment down below what are your thoughts on how I make my videos, and is it unique? And why not watch one of these videos above me, which iPad or MacBook is this for, or my budget setup. This is Yuri from Yuri Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.